Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy Kerala style evening snack recipe which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe I'm using fresh turmeric leaves which I sourced from my organic backyard garden. You need about 3 to 4 fresh turmeric leaves. I like to cut the leaves into half, trim off the ends. So this is the size I prefer. You can also make without slicing the leaves into half, but personally I prefer to slice the leaves into half. And I'm going to keep the leaves aside. Into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup rice flour. To make this more healthier, I'm using Kerala Chemba rice flour. You can of course use white rice flour, but white rice flour is very refined, hence to make this more fiber rich, I'm using Chemba rice flour. You can use red rice flour, you can use black rice flour, any variety of rice flour you can use in this recipe. Chemba rice flour has a slight reddish or brownish hue when compared to white rice flour. Into this I'm adding in 1.5 cups of water, hot boiling water, 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and with a spoon give this a good mix. As I mentioned earlier, this rice flour has a subtle brownish color. And now I'm going to rest it until I get the other ingredients ready. So by this time this will cool down. Into a bowl I am adding in 1 cup tightly packed grated coconut. This is fresh grated coconut. Add in freshly ground cardamom powder, about ½ teaspoon. To sweeten this I am using jaggery. This is a local variety jaggery known as Marayur jaggery. Marayur is a place close to Munnar. So if you visit Munnar you can easily source this jaggery. It is very dark in color and it is very soft and tastes like honey. Now into this I am adding in jaggery as needed and give this a good mix. You can increase or decrease jaggery as per your sweetness. Okay, now everything is nicely mixed and ready. At this time the rice flour has cooled down and also has become slightly thick. Take 1 portion of the turmeric leaf and place a generous portion of the rice flour mix in the middle. With wet hands, spread the rice flour over the turmeric leaf. Place a generous amount of the jaggery coconut filling in the middle. Close the turmeric leaves into half and seal the filling. Place it onto the steamer. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the leaves and seal the filling. Place it onto the steamer. Let it steam cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until done. After about 15 to 20 minutes, turn off the flame. Open the lid and my turmeric ada is ready to serve. I'm going to allow it to cool down slightly and then I'll serve. So I'm going to cover it again and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. So guys, do try this healthy turmeric ada and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.